What if I told you this entire 3D animated movie was created using AI? No animation team, no expensive studio, no years of experience, just AI tools, cinematic prompts, and one powerful technique that most creators completely ignore: character consistency. Because here's the truth: most AI animations fail for one reason. The characters change in every single scene. The rabbit suddenly looks different. The lion's face changes. The lighting breaks. And the animation stops feeling like a real movie. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. In this video, you'll learn how to create a professional Pixar-style 3D animated story using Flow AI, while keeping your characters consistent from beginning to end like a real animated film. We'll cover story creation, character design, cinematic prompting, camera movement, lighting, scene continuity, and the exact workflow used to make AI animations look professional. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn simple AI generations into a cinematic animated movie for YouTube. So, let's begin. The Clever Rabbit and the Proud Lion. This story is perfect for cinematic animation because it has emotion, danger, suspense, comedy, and a powerful climax scene. Before generating anything, we must define the visual style of the movie. This step is extremely important. If you skip this, your scenes may look completely different from each other. So, first, create a fixed visual identity for your project. For example, Pixar-style cinematic 3D animation, stylized Indian jungle, soft fur textures, big expressive eyes, warm cinematic lighting, movie-quality rendering, and emotional character animation. Now, every single prompt in the project should include the same visual style. This creates visual consistency. Now, let's move to character design. Character consistency starts with detailed character descriptions. Do not simply write, "cute rabbit." That is too vague. Instead, define every important visual detail. For example, small white rabbit with fluffy fur, large brown eyes, pink nose, long ears, tiny red scarf around neck, Pixar-style cinematic 3D character, expressive face, soft fur lighting. Now, this becomes your master character description. Save this description somewhere because you will reuse it in every prompt. Do the same for the lion. For example, large golden lion with thick dark golden mane, muscular body, sharp amber eyes, powerful facial expressions, realistic fur simulation, cinematic Pixar-style 3D animation. This is extremely important. The AI remembers consistency much better when descriptions stay identical. A small change in wording can sometimes create a different looking character. So try to keep same keywords, same colors, same accessories, same fur details, and same animation style. Now, let's talk about reference images. This is one of the most powerful techniques for consistency. Generate one perfect image of your rabbit and lion first. Do not rush this step. Spend time creating the best possible character design. Once you get the perfect character image, use that image as a reference for all future scenes. This helps the AI maintain face shape, fur color, clothing, body proportions, and expressions. Professional animation studios do this too. They use character sheets and model references before animating scenes. Now, let's build the environment. Again, consistency matters here too. Your jungle should maintain the same visual identity across the film. For example, dense green jungle, Indian forest atmosphere, warm sunlight, cinematic fog, and colorful flowers. If one scene looks realistic and another looks cartoonish, the movie will feel broken. So always repeat your environment style in prompts. Now let's move to flow animation generation. This is where many creators make mistakes. Most people generate scenes separately with completely different prompts. That causes inconsistency. Instead, think like a film director. Every scene should feel connected to the previous scene. Let's say we are generating scene 1. We start with wide cinematic jungle shot, sunrise lighting, animals playing, camera slowly flying through trees. Now, in scene 2, instead of changing everything, continue the same world. For example, same jungle, same lighting style, same character design, same cinematic rendering, only the mood changes. Now, the lion enters dramatically.
But suddenly,
This makes the movie feel continuous.
From today,
Another
I am the
important
king
technique
of
is
this
camera
forest.
consistency.
If nobody comes
Professional
tomorrow,
animated
I will
films
hunt
follow
all of
visual
you.
language.
What can
For
we
emotional
do now?
scenes, use close-up
Maybe
shots.
strength is
For
not
powerful
the
scenes,
answer.
use
The
low-angle
next
shots.
morning,
For adventure
Chiku
scenes,
Rabbit
use wide
volunteered to go to
cinematic shots.
sharing. Chiku,
If camera
be
styles
careful.
randomly
Do
change
not
everywhere,
worry.
the
Why are you
animation
so
feels
late?
chaotic.
Maharaj, another lion
Now,
stopped
let's
me.
talk about
Another
lighting consistency.
lion.
He
Lighting
said
is
he
one
is
of the
the
biggest
real
reasons
king.
why scenes look disconnected.
beautiful
If one rabbit scene has warm orange lighting and the next scene suddenly has cold realistic lighting,
Another
the
lion stopped
character
me.
may look
Another
different.
lion.
So,
He said
maintain
he
a
is the
color
real
script.
king.
Morning scenes, warm sunlight.
Why are you so late?
Danger
Maharaj,
scenes, dramatic
another lion
shadows.
stopped me.
Night
Another
scenes,
lion.
blue moonlight.
He said he is the real
This
king.
keeps the visual storytelling consistent. Now, let's create the most important part. The climax scene where the lion falls into the well. This scene must feel cinematic and emotionally powerful. First, establish the environment. The ancient stone well stands in
Another
the middle
lion
of the dark
stopped me.
jungle.
Another lion.
Moonlight
He
reflects
said he is the
softly
real
on the
king.
water. Fog moves slowly around the trees. Chiku Rabbit carefully walks toward the well while pretending to be scared. Cheru Leon follows angrily. Now notice something important. Even during action scenes, we still maintain consistency. Same rabbit design, same lion fur, same jungle atmosphere, same cinematic rendering style. This is what makes the animation feel like a real movie instead of random AI clips. Now we generate multiple shots for this sequence. Shot 1, wide shot of moonlit jungle. Shot 2, lion walking toward the well. Shot 3, close-up of reflection in water. Shot 4, extreme close-up of lion eyes. Shot 5, slow-motion jump. Shot 6, massive splash effect. Shot 7, silent emotional reaction from rabbit. Breaking scenes into shots gives much better cinematic quality. Never generate entire complex scenes in one single prompt. Think like a movie editor. Now, let's talk about expressions. Expressions are critical for storytelling. If the rabbit looks happy during a dangerous scene, the emotion breaks. So clearly define emotions inside prompts. For example, nervous expression, furious roaring face, relieved emotional smile. This improves acting quality in AI animation. Another advanced technique is using motion continuity. For example, if the rabbit walks from left to right in one shot, continue left to right in the next shot. This creates smooth scene transitions. Small details like this make animations look professional. Now, let's discuss sound design. Even average visuals can feel cinematic with strong sound. Add forest ambience, birds, wind, footsteps, lion roars, water splashes, and emotional background music. Sound creates immersion. For emotional scenes, use soft flute music. For suspense scenes, use deep cinematic bass sounds. Now, after generating all clips, bring everything into editing software. Arrange
From
scenes
today,
carefully.
I
Add
am the
cinematic
king of this
transitions.
forest.
Color
If no-
grade all
Maharaj,
clips together.
another
This
lion
is another
stopped me.
secret for
Another
consistency.
lion.
He
Color
said
grading
he is the
makes
real
separate
king.
AI clips feel
Maharaj,
like one unified
another lion
film.
stopped me.
Apply
Another
similar
lion.
contrast,
He
brightness,
said he is the
shadow
real king.
tones, and saturation levels. Now, your animation finally feels like a complete movie. And remember, AI tools are only part of the process.
From
The
today,
real magic comes from storytelling, scene planning, camera direction, lighting, and emotional pacing. The better your direction is, the better your animation becomes. So do not think like an AI user. Think like a filmmaker. That mindset changes everything. And that's how you can create beautiful cinematic 3D animated stories using flow while maintaining professional character consistency across every scene. Let's
What
watch
a
the
beautiful
final output.
morning!
Come, friends, let's race to the river!
Catch me if you can. But suddenly, the peaceful forest changed.
From today, I am the king of this forest. If nobody comes tomorrow, I will hunt all of you. What can we do now?
Maybe strength is not the answer. The next morning, Chiku Rabbit volunteered to go to Sheru. Chiku, be careful. Do not worry. Why are you so late?
Maharaj, another lion stopped me. Another lion!
He said he is the real king. I will destroy that lion.
He is hiding nearby, Maharaj. Inside the water, Sheru saw his own reflection. He is right there inside the well.
Hooray for Chiku!
A clever mind is stronger than anger.
If you enjoy AI animation, cinematic storytelling, and learning how to create professional 3D animated movies using AI tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Because on this channel, we explore AI filmmaking, 3D animation workflows, cinematic prompting, character consistency, and powerful creative tools that can help you create amazing content for YouTube. So subscribe now, and let's continue creating movie-quality AI animations together.